Hey there, I'm Liz, and today I'm going to show you how to hang the hanging towel rod.
The tools you'll need for this project are a hammer, level, some sort of measuring device, and a pen or pencil, painter's tape, a drill with a 5/16 drill bit, the screws and pop toggle wall anchors included in your kit, your leather straps, and dowel rod. First, I'm just determining where I want to place the straps on the wall. Then, using a level and a piece of painter's tape, I'll place the tape directly on the wall to ensure both straps are hung at the exact same height. Using my measuring tape, I mark my first spot, then measure 20 inches from there to mark the second. I'm placing mine 20 inches apart, so there's a few inches of overhang on either side of the straps, but feel free to adjust this spacing to your liking. Next, I'm drilling pilot holes right through the tape with a small drill bit to determine if there are studs behind the drywall or not. You could also use a stud finder for this part. I did not find studs behind either of these, so I'm going to install the wall anchors, but if you did find studs, you can go ahead and skip the next two steps. Using my 5/16 drill bit, I'm going to open up these pilot holes to fit the wall anchors. These anchors are really easy to use. You'll just fold this part in half, pinch it together to place it in the pre-drilled hole, and tap lightly with a hammer until it's flush with the wall. Next, you'll take the back of the leather strap and fold it over the front of the strap so it looks like this. And then I like to take the screw and sort of screw it in by hand so it's easily installed into the wall anchor. You'll repeat the same process for both straps. Next, we'll place our screw directly into the wall anchor and tighten down with the flathead screw bit. Lastly, you can place your dowel rod through each of the straps. And here's the final look.